There was two men. Hi there, how are you? Oops, close. Hi guys, I'm LuLu. I couldn't steal even a bite today. I'm gonna go back and try again. Which one should I steal? I'm still hungry. I can never give up. Here I go. It's too heavy. Go shiny magic mouse. Alright, stage 1 clear. Where's clear? I need a place to hide. Right there. I can do it. I can do it. Oh, I can do it. Yes. That's my target. Okay, I'm gonna steal from Momo. Oops, Claire's here. Shh. Can you see me? Now I'm an invisible cat. Right now. Excuse me. That was good. Mission complete.